Fellow Ugandans, I am here this morning to brief the country on the forthcoming celebrations to mark 61 years of Uganda's independence. Let me take this opportunity to announce to all Ugandans and the rest of the world that on 9th of October 2023, we shall celebrate our independence from the colonial rule. This will be a public holiday. October 9th annually marks a significant day in Uganda. This is when we freed ourselves from colonial rule. This year's celebrations will mark 61 years of independence that was gained in October 9th, 1962. The theme for this year's celebrations is Sustaining a United and Progressive Nation, Taking Charge of Our Future as a Free, and working jointly with a German international non-government organization called Bazungu EV, together with the Prince Chimbugwe Foundation, have so far offered free eye surgical services for all people with eye challenges in Acholi sub-region. The exercise of screening began on 25th of September and ended on September 28, 2023. A total of 1,163 patients were screened. Out of this, 153 will undergo eye surgeries and 557 will be provided with eyeglasses, while others will receive treatment. The surgeries began yesterday, October 2nd, 2023, and will end tomorrow, Wednesday, October 4th, 2020. Our media partners for accepting to give live coverage to the event. This will give opportunity to Ugandans and others who will not physically attend the event at Kitgum fall on their screens and on radio. During these celebrations, His Excellency the President will emphasize the issue of working hard by our people to come out of poverty. He will remind the leaders of their responsibilities to mobilize the population for development, which is aimed at achieving our national goals. This speech is quite inspiring and a must listen to by all Ugandans. I conclude by reminding all Ugandans, especially fellow leaders across the political divide, to appreciate where our country has come from, where we are, and where we are headed to. This will help us to uphold our independence and protect the hard-won freedoms for self-rule. May God bless our great nation, Uganda. Happy 61st Independence Day anniversary celebrations for God and my country.